to Mathiveri Island, and this is another beach walking tour. We have done many walking tours for the island itself, but this series is all about the bikini beaches.
Yes, and if you don't know, just a quick recap why it's called a bikini beach. Well, simply put, because you can wear your bikini there, but more so because in other parts of the island you are not allowed to wear a bikini. Why? Because the Maldives is a Muslim country. Ta-da! If you don't know, now you know. Yes.
Well, this part is a little rocky. It's not the official bikini beach and where it starts. It's just one of the entrances, and but I just wanted to show you how crystal clear the water is. It is absolutely beautiful.
I really enjoy the bikini beach on this island. It's kind of like there's another part of this island also that I really enjoy. If you want to see what this island looks like in its entirety, we've actually done a walking tour of this entire island. We will show you the hotels on the island, the restaurants, the shops, and the harbor. We usually start at the harbor, so you can check the description or the playlist and you'll be able to see what this island looks like. But this island is actually, it's cute. It's shaped like a triangle, and you'll be able to see that when towards the end of the video, like we always do for these bikini beach video walks, we end with with drone shots, so you'll see what it looks like from the air.
Yeah, and the tiny island you see in the distance, we'll tell you more about it. It's actually very unique and really cool. A unique feature about Mathiveri Island. This island is located in North Ari Atoll, and it's actually one of our favorite islands as well. Too bad we did not have too much time here. I wish we could stay longer and enjoy it a little bit more, but we'll be back.
So of course, like with all the islands in the Maldives, the water is just absolutely stunning. Turquoise, clear, palm trees, soft sand. Well, you're seeing rocks now, but yes, most of the beaches have really soft powdery sand.
Well, the reason there are rocks there is that to protect the island itself from erosion, actually.
So it was a seawall, but over time it got damaged. But they normally do maintenance on these things, and they build new seawalls or they push it more outward to break the water and the waves. So as you can see, it's like really calm in this area. But look at these beautiful palm trees.
After island hopping in the Maldives for 6 months, visiting over 30 local islands and private island resorts, and creating over 100 videos on our YouTube channels, we realized people still struggle to choose the right island. So we made a free Maldives island comparison Google Sheet. It visually compares the top 5 local islands across 20 plus real factors like beaches, prices, transfers, and activities. The best part, you can get your free access in the description below.
I actually enjoy the local beach better than the bikini beach on this island. The local beach, it's very wide. It's really wide. They have rows and rows of palm tree, and then it goes out into the ocean. I think the bikini beach area for this island it's kind of small. It's nice, but compared to the local side, I think the local side is better. So obviously you could tell here, you see some people kind of just waddling in the water.
Yeah, so this is these palm trees look like AI, right?
Yeah, it doesn't even look real. Like, look at the colors of the sky compared to the water. And the crazy thing about this, like, we've been in the Maldives during rainy season, during, if you want to call it, monsoon season, when the sky turns gray and dark, not because of the time, but just because of the clouds and the storms that come over. The sky is dark gray, but the water remains turquoise. It is the craziest thing to see. Because normally you would think, okay, it's bright out, the sky, reflects on the water reflects on the sky, however you want to view it, and that's why the water looks the color it is, but it really isn't. Not here in the Maldives, because when the sky's dark and gray, that water is turquoise and it pops even more. Very contrasty.
There's a little local family enjoying their time together with their kids. As you can see, the water is calm and shallow here. It's a bit rocky here, but again, this is not the official beach.
I think it starts right after this little rocks area here. You notice it's all sandy.
Yeah.
There's a really nice restaurant right off the beach also. I think we're coming up on it, but it's more in the tree line area, so you won't be able to see it. If you want to see the walking tour, the full walking tour of this island, then you'll be able to see the restaurant. Is like in the cut in the trees.
And this is it. This is where the official Bikini Beach starts. Has a nice sand area, gradual slope, and it has some areas where there is like a little bit of rocks, but a lot of also, as you can see, like sandy ocean floor, which is really nice.
And we do mention all the time, these islands are so different than the last one you probably saw if you watched all our videos. We have actually over 100 videos on the Maldives, my friends. So there's playlists that's going to be at the end of this video if you want to check out our playlist. We've done private islands, we've done local islands, we've done them both. We've done several private islands, and yeah, they're so different. They all have different vibes. It's just beautiful though.
This part of the beach, as you can see, is a little bit wider, and this is where we were talking about that a restaurant with short eats inside the tree line. You can see some locals playing, but you see they are dressed up because of their religion, but this is where the Bikini Beach is, and you are allowed to be in your bikini here. And this is it. We're coming to the end of the Bikini Beach, and the island that you see at in the distance is actually a picnic island, and there is a little boat that can take you there, but you can literally swim there.
Or walk.
And if the tide is low, you can even walk.
We actually
there.
saw someone walk from that island to this point, and he
Yeah.
had his cell phone. He had his cell phone up, held up in the air, and he literally walked across from. Now there is a part that drops off, but
The
you
dark
could just
one,
the dark part. But you could just swim by. And again, it depends on the tide. But anyway, we're going to take you guys up in the air. We're going to show you what that little island looks like. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And as usual, we will see you in the next one.